Hey you guys, so I'm going to show you how to connect your AMS hub if you want to print 5 or more colors, okay? So you're going to need your AMS hub, and then of course you're going to need this extension connector, okay? So at this point you should already disconnect your printer. So use the printer, figure out what printer that you want to disconnect. So this is the one that I'm going to disconnect. And then if you have additional AMS, you don't have to worry about using your other printer. However, I am using one of my AMSs on my other printer. So you're going to go ahead and disconnect, and then you're going to have all of these loose cables, right? So some of these stuff won't matter, but pay attention closely, okay? So make sure you save this, because you definitely will need this back when you want to hook it back originally, all right? So we're going to start off with our AMS hub. We're going to start off with connecting these 2 holes right here, and we're going to use this section to connect it. All right, so it doesn't matter where you place them. So remember, you can print up to 16 colors. All right, so I'm just placing it inside. All right, so now what you want to do, whatever printer that you're using, whatever is going to be your main printer, you're going to take this particular plug, and this is the 4 connector, and you're going to find the 4 connector, which is right here, and you're going to go ahead and insert it. Okay. Now you're going to take your 6 connector, and you're going to plug it to both of the AMSs. All right, so pay attention. The machine that you're actually using, you're going to take this 6 plug, the 6 connector, and finally you're going to connect it right here. Okay, so this is my main printer that's going to be printing. Okay, and once you're done, to know if you really did it correctly, go to your Bambu Studio and select the printer that you're using for the main, and you should see 2 AMSs pop up, okay? So I hope that this helped, and if you want to learn more, make sure you follow me for more. See y'all.